friends, it's Miss Nancy, and we are super excited to let you know that today we're doing a special filming for teachers all over the world to help them teach children about kindness. We have the funnest group of children that are coming today, and they're going to help your students know how to do a very special play that teaches all students about treating others with kindness. And there are so many things that are inside of us that we sing about: love, sharing, compassion, non-harming, all kinds of beautiful things that are inside of us. We want to share with teachers all over the world and help give you the tools to help your students know that every child matters in the classroom. The students will sing and dance, and they'll learn what's inside of them. We teach them that what's inside of them is complete love, but it's also inside of every child. And that's why it's so important when our children are very young to be teaching them that everyone deserves kindness, kindness for themselves and kindness for everyone in the classroom. So we're very excited to bring this to you. Sit back, relax, enjoy our show, and we'll be seeing you soon. Let's teach all the children all over the world about love. Taking a chair. Ladies and gentlemen, we are so excited to bring you from Kindness School our kindness star, who is the kindest of all kindness students, and she is going to sing a song for you called Music Can Make You Happy. Can we wave and say hi, Emma? Show us the beat, Emma, and those knees. We love Emma. She is so talented. And sing.
Music can make you happy. Music can make you sing. Music can lift your spirits and feel the joy it brings. Music can make you happy. Music can make you sing. Music can lift your spirits and feel the joy it brings. Music can make you sing.
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 Music can make you sing and love it.
Wow, let's go for Emma. That was wonderful. Look, friends, it's Yvonne. Can we all say hi, Yvonne? Everybody say hi, Yvonne. Okay, now, Yvonne, are you new at the school?
Yeah.
Oh, let's all say welcome, Yvonne. Good, welcome, Yvonne.
Thank you.
And then, do you want to say, be my friend? Oh, Yvonne would like us to be his friend, and we really like to be kind to our friends at school. So let's all make Yvonne feel good and say, we would love to be your friend. We would love to be your friend. Let's say it again. We would love to be your friend. Oh, you're so sweet. Will you sing our little song? with Hey, Here I Am? Go ahead. Hey, here I am. I just want you to see me. Good. The next one is here. Hey, here I am. I just want you to hear me. Good. The next one is hug. Hey, here I am. I just want you to hug me. Very good. The had so much fun with Yvonne and London and Emma and Shay and Veda. Thank you so much for playing instruments with us today and for coming over to What's Inside of Us and to play with our puppets. But our real goal was to show you as a student how to be kind to every child in your classroom, because what's inside of you, you open the door and you can see that love is inside of you. Love is inside of me, and we want to help every student in every classroom in the United States and in the world to learn that children need to have kindness in their hearts for everyone, for themselves and for each other. And there are over 90,000 schools in the United States alone with children ages from birth all the way to 18 years old, and a total of 78 million children that are in our schools. And we want every one of those children, and we believe that every one of those children can treat each other with kindness. That is our goal. And we want to help them through the creative arts, through singing, through dancing, through puppet play, through instruments. We want to put together, is what you just saw, a fun musical that you can play in your classroom for your children. And it's our gift to you. So come on and join us for Hey Here I Am. Bring it into your schools. And if we can help you at all, let us know. Thanks. See you soon. Bye.